So remember how there was a bunch of steel sitting in the storage lot? Well, a lot of it has been put up. This was not here last time. Those huge cranes have been hard at work. They've been completely repositioned since our last update. This one is now based way over here, over by the storage lot. In addition to the two big red cranes, there's also this third crane that's hanging over the main structure. So if you've been following the channel, then you know that I was actually featured on Fox 13 News to talk about the construction and the progress that Lagoon is making. And if you watched that, you heard the park mention that there's actually going to be a midway that will be built in between one of the current paths and the new ride, which is pretty cool. That is about the only new information we learned from the park about this new attraction. So if the rumors are true and this new attraction is expected to be inside a giant mountain, then just remember, you won't be able to see any of this once the new ride opens. So right here at the bottom you can see two different entrances that have been left open that lead into that main structure. Maybe track will eventually be passing through here? We don't know. We'll have to wait and see.